On Thursday, February 11, 2021, a farmer named Venkat Reddy from Telangana state won patent for rice and wheat varieties which have crucial vitamin D in them. He is the first independent farmer to receive international patent. Venkat Reddy, with his innovative farming methods, has introduced rice variety that has vitamin D ranging from 102 to 141 IU per 100 grams and wheat variety with 1606 to 1832 IU per 100 grams. The technique regarding enriched rice and wheat ensures the presence of crucial vitamin D in rice and wheat is completely a natural technique. Normal rice and wheat generally contains little or no vitamin D in them. He used a secret formulation during the most critical period, that is from the flowering to seed setting stage, using simple irrigation techniques. He conducted his experiments in Alwal on an agricultural plot in front of his home. These varieties are a great source of vitamin D, especially in case of malnutrition and COVID-19 pandemic. Chinthala Venkat Reddy, a 70-year-old hero, is a Pakka Hyderabadi and a Padma Shri awardee, has already won patents for his soil management techniques and the mud spray technology that helped the country tackle the recent locust attack. Venkat Reddy is ready to help if Government of India wants to distribute this variety to farmers. He also said that he would give it to multinational companies who can mass produce the enriched variety if Indian government is not interested in it. So that's all about it. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button for further video updates, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for watching.